Learn parts of the body. Hindi to Tagalog through English translation. Let's begin. Body, sharir, katawan, katawan. Head, sir, olo, olo. Eye, ank, mata, mata. Eyebrow, pound, kilay, kilay. Nose, nack, ilong, ilong. Mouth, muhi, bibig, bibig. Neck, gardan, leeg, leeg. Ear, kan, tainga, tainga. Hair, bal, buhok, buhok. Shoulder, kanha, balikat, balikat. Elbow, kuhani, siko, siko. Hand, hat, kamay, kamay. Finger, ungli, daliri, daliri. Stomach, pit, chan, chan. Knee, gutna, tuhod, tuhod. Feet, pier, paa, paa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys.